How to troubleshoot can't install Webroot Antivirus issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Restart the computer. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and click the power icon on the bottom right side. Step 2. Click Restart. Step 3. Wait for the system to turn back on. Step 4. Now, try to install the program again. Method 2. Update the operating system. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Update. Step 3. If there's an update available, it'll start downloading the update. Step 4. Once the update is complete, restart the system. Method 3. Reinstall Webroot application. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon, then search Command. Step 2. Right-click Command EXE from the result and click Run as administrator. Step 3. Run the command, c:\program whitespace files /webroot /wrsa.exe uninstall. Step 4. Click Yes in the uninstallation pop-up prompt. Step 5. Fill in the reCAPTCHA and click Continue. Step 6. Open the web browser and visit the official Webroot website. Step 7. Enter your email ID and product key code and click Next. Step 8. Click Download now and wait for the file to download. Step 9. Open the downloaded file. Step 10. Enter the product key code again, then click Agree and install. Step 11. Click Yes in the User Account Control window and it'll start scanning. Method 4. Disable Windows Firewall temporarily. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Select Update and Security, then click on Windows Security. Step 3. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 4. Turn off real-time protection and close the window. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.